I've spent significant time using both Duolingo and Airlearn, and each platform offers distinct advantages depending on your language learning goals. Duolingo felt engaging from the very start. It takes a playful, gamified approach. You earn points, level up, and maintain streaks, which helped me stay motivated. The app covers reading, writing, listening, and speaking in an accessible way, making it ideal if you're starting out or just want a fun, low-pressure introduction to a language. Its interface is bright and encouraging, and you can access a wide range of lessons even on the free plan. I also appreciated the broad selection of languages from widely spoken ones like Spanish and French to less common, or even endangered languages. AirLearn, in contrast, offered a more targeted and structured experience. I used it primarily to build vocabulary, and its spaced repetition system helped me retain words effectively over time. The microlessons are short but focused, perfect for squeezing in practice during a busy day. The clean, minimal design kept distractions at bay, and being able to customize my learning path based on skill level and goals made the experience feel personal. Both apps handle motivation and progress in different ways. Duolingo encourages daily use through game-like rewards, while Airlearn motivates by showing which words need review and tracking your focus over time. In terms of effectiveness, I'd say choose Airlearn if your priority is efficient vocabulary building and long-term retention. Choose Duolingo if you prefer a comprehensive, beginner-friendly course with a playful, engaging format. In my own routine, I actually use both. I begin with Airlearn for focused vocabulary practice, then switch to Duolingo for grammar, speaking exercises, and a more varied interactive experience. Combining the two has given me a balanced and engaging approach to language learning. Ultimately, both apps are effective in their own right. Your choice depends on whether you value precision and retention, Airlearn, or broad gamified learning Duolingo.